Are you ready? Let's go with tiny talkers! Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Up, up, up he goes. What is he about? Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. He's a little hero without a single doubt. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Splash, splash, he tumbled all about. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. But Incy Wincy Spider didn't cry or pout. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Gone, gold, sunshine, chasing away the pain. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Now everything is sparkling in the garden lane. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again, over the bumps and through the wind and rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. He reached the very top. Let's shout hooray for him! Wincy, 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 he done!
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.